there's a lot of papers actually about the positive effects of listening to natural sounds. So a lot of mental health benefits, but actually, believe it or not, physical health benefits. They find that recovering from surgery, for example, listening to natural sounds can actually accelerate recovery. A whole bunch of other stuff. There's a lot of legitimate peer-reviewed papers out there talking about that. And we are certainly really interested in working with people in assisted living,
Yes.
hospitals,
Yes.
schools. We're actually working with a group we just started talks with a group called Birdability, which is about helping people with disabilities get access to birds and birding.